Step I when the 40V source is acting alone, figure 3.5. By series parallel reduction technique, figure 3.6. 40. 5 1 plus 67 6. I equals. From figure 3.5, by current division rule. 10. 10 2 5A. A. 10 ohms. 40V. 10V. I. 5 ohms. I6. Equals times plus equals. Step 2 when the 20V source is acting alone, figure 3.7. By series, parallel reduction technique, figure 3.8. I equals 20. 5 1 plus 67 3. A. From figure 3.7, by current division rule. Equals times plus equals minus I3 10. 10 2 2A5, equals 25A. Step 3 when the 10V source is acting alone, figure 3.9. By series, parallel reduction technique, figure 3.10. Equals I10. 333 2 plus 1A88. Step 4 by superposition theorem. I plus equals 5 2 minus 5 1 plus 88 4. 5 1 plus. A 38.